Talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your SiriusXM app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. When you just click on settings, it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then you go down, just keep going down here. Then you click here on apps. Come to apps list here. Indeed, you're looking for SiriusXM app. You just click on search. Then here at SiriusXM app, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. Click on for stop. Click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage. Come to storage list here. Just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, click on it here, and here you search here for Sirius XM. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here if this, click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.